show you today is how to create queries, basically, in against it. Now, basically, the Object Explorer in Microsoft Visual Studio is not very good. I don't know why. So really what you need to download is another tool called SQL Server Management Studio. It's quite a big download, so just Google that, SSMS, and it's fairly decent. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll use that basically to create our queries rather than hand coding them. Right, so let's just go through the process of how you do that. So let's run, it's a big old download, it's like a gig, so it takes a while to install. But essentially, it just, I don't know why you can't use Server Explorer for SQL Server databases. It's a shame. There you go. Right, so look, there I've got I got that from the server name from Azure. So I'm logged into Azure here. It's my server there I created. And there's my username, which I got wrong. It's Charlie Admin. Right, so password, and then connect. And you'll find it's pretty quick, actually. Right, so it's logged in, there's databases, the student lates, then on tables here. So I can right click on the table, select top rows, for instance. Should. Okay. So there's the SQL created data. Excellent. Right, but what we want to do is create queries. Now to do that, don't do new query. Do right click, new view. You get a designer this way. You don't get the designer with you do the query and quick close. And there we go. So it all looks very much like classic Server Explorer. So let's just run that, right click, execute, and there's our data coming back. Again, we can do exactly the same sort of thing we can do in there. Filter it, so 2 there, and then suddenly we get a where appearing, and it's all good stuff. Okay, so that's it. So that's really what you need to do. If you're using Azure, you really want to be using this bit of software here rather than trying to do it in Object Explorer in Visual Studio. Even though it's called Object Explorer here. I don't know why it's not as good. Anyway, there you go. Goodbye.